Hi everyone, happy to see you all. Today I'm so excited to sit down with Oualid, Nate, my friend and our client who really successful with our product. And I prepared some questions for you, Walid. But first
Yeah,
of all, how are you?
I'm doing great, Mike. It's been a while since we last talked, but it's always a pleasure to see you and talk and discuss Boomerangme.
Likewise, every time. Really happy to see you again as well. And my first question, could you please a little bit elaborate on about your agency, about your journey, what do you do, and what the clients do you serve?
Well, we're a digital agency here based in Morocco. We've been operational for the past 5 years, and most of our customers are restaurants, cafes. We even have some chamber of commerces that work with us. So we're trying to bring innovation to the country.
Yeah. And if I right understand, here a lot of opportunities in Morocco in terms of digitizing promotions.
Exactly. Morocco is on the verge of organizing the World Cup 2030 along with our neighbors, Portugal and Spain. So the country is in a total transformation, especially in the digital world.
Awesome, awesome. Could you tell me, please, from which services did you start agency, like from website development for search engine optimization, and when you come up with loyalty solution, where you found us?
Well, we mostly focus on web development and search engine optimization. That was our main thing. We also had e-commerce. We helped small businesses bring their products online, created to them online stores and stuff like that. And in 2021, I think. We heard about Boomerangme, and it was really a nice project. When I understood it, I knew that there was a future behind it. So we said, why not? It was later on AppSumo as an offer, and we jumped on it, and then later on upgraded our account to an agency account.
Good thing. Thank you so much. And what made you decide to try Boomerangme? Because I mean, I'm trying to understand what the reason was behind the decision. What was wrong before Boomerangme, and what was changed after you start using this solution?
Well, I won't lie to you. Boomerang Me, when I understood it, I knew that it was something really like new. There was no, I've never seen something like it before, especially with the many mechanics, the the tools that came with it, especially like referral, the push notifications, the easy way to install cards. It was like something new for us. So I said, this will be people will accept it and use it in their businesses, especially with the transformations that is happening worldwide. Like in order to be competitive, you need to have the right and best solutions.
Thank you so much for the warm words. I really much appreciate it. But I want to say that we are like digital geeks. We prefer to use something new, something straightforward, and implement it in our business. But I just want to understand the problems that you had before this product. Like, did you have some problems with sales, with competition for your services, with churn rate or something like that? And how Boomerang Me solve, or maybe didn't do nothing in terms of those problems for your agency?
Well, well, like anywhere in the world, web development is a competitive world. There isn't one agency that provides that service. You're gonna find freelancers, you're gonna find agencies, and so on. And in order to be competitive, you should bring something new as a second source of income. So Boomerang Me was a second source of income for our agency, and we gave it its time. We tried to take the message to the customers. We had hiccups along the way, and we're still experiencing them. But every time you find a hiccup, you find a solution for it. Just give it its time, enough time, and trust me, customers are not going to come searching for a solution. You should show them the solution. You should go to them and knock on their doors and show them what there is new in the market, what they're missing. So that's what we're trying to do right now.
Good approach, because I think it's just a one way to be successful. You need to be proactive instead of sit and waiting for something.
E-
100% agree. Could you tell
Exactly.
me, please, about your sweet spot on from the market? What your ideal customer profile? What do you try to serve first one, like food and beverage, only restaurants, only fish restaurants, probably.
No, we target any kind of business, so we don't have a special one. But my favorite ones are the parapharmacies. They're not a pharmacy, but there's a parapharmacy. They have their products, and most of them they have like they sell the product, and in the same business they have a beauty place where you can take beauty services. So what most of them are doing, they're giving cash. They're using the cashback card. You get cashback from the products you buy, and with the cashback you can use it on the beauty services. So that's how they're promoting their beauty services that people don't know.
Hmm. Good one. It's some kind of like upsell or maybe probably cross sell between
Ex-
retail store, and the service business behind that.
exactly, and that's how they're promoting it. It's really working.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Well, I have one most popular question for my interviews. Could you please tell me about your first client, first onboarding, and first objections that did you get while you onboarding them?
Okay, my first prospect, I sat with him for 30 minutes, and we signed the contract next day. It's a coffee franchise. It's called Tendies. They have 13 stores in Morocco. Uh, the good thing I found about it is the person was an open mind. The owner was an open-minded person. Yeah, it took me a week just to set up an appointment with him because he was busy and everything. But once I got that appointment and I went and I sat and I presented the solution, I was explaining to him while he was thinking how is he going to use it? And when I was done with my presentation, he told me, "This is what I want. This is what I want," and it was deal on the spot. And my like the customers that don't accept it are mostly people that are afraid of digital transforming. They're afraid they will invest in something and it's not going to bring back its fruits. Well, it's never bad to try. That's why I sometimes go with them with a 3 month trial. I tell them, okay, I'll give you a 3 month trial. Give it a shot. You
Hmm.
like it, you keep it. You don't like it, export your customer base, and we'll delete your account. That's simple.
Hmm. Good hook, good sales trick, I want to say, because even if they issue just 100 loyalty cards during those 3 months, they cannot say after that.
They can't. This is it's
They can't.
it was the hook that I found that it worked a lot. I give them the free trial, even if it has to take 3 months. Yeah, but at least they will reach 100 card issued within that period time frame.
Well, how long do you work with them?
Well, first of all, when we sign a contract, first thing is training. Before training, I create to them everything. Everything is included. All they have to do is wait for their card to be ready. They validate it, and then we move to training. Training, I go myself personally. I show them how to use the scanner. I show the owner or the manager how to see the dashboard, how to use the dashboard, and then I give them the day of the launch. I go personally and I help them onboard their customers. I give them the designs to print, I give them everything, and I follow up with them for at least a month. After that, I let them work on their own. They have a phone number which they can call, and if there's a problem, they call and I solve it. And up until now, trust me, there hasn't been a single call regarding there's a problem with the solution.
Yeah, this is exactly what our agency is reporting regarding onboarding and setup process. It usually takes something about 1 week, and after that, you can forget about phone calls and any support inquiries in your inbox in regards to that, because you just need to onboard first 100 customers, and after
Exactly.
that, just repeat, repeat, and repeat, because it's simple process. That's absolutely true. Well, that's good. Could you tell me, please, about the benefits? What you figured out after 1 year working with Boomerangme? What's the good things? What the worst things? Could you tell me, please?
Well, the good things is it's an easy solution to use. Well, I guess all the agencies know that it's one of the easiest solutions available in the market. Uh, the things that I wish they could be available are more integrations. Like here in Morocco, we don't use Square, we don't use Toast. Most people use Odo. I don't know if you know the brand Odo. It's a ODOO. And whenever
Yeah,
I
it's a
go to,
free to use open
yeah,
source point of sale
exactly.
system. I know that.
So whenever I go to a customer, they have that as their pass, and they always ask, "Can I integrate it? I don't want to use different two standalone solutions in parallel." And that would be a big plus for Boomerang, maybe because Odo is used like all around France. If you have someone from France, it will be like a treasure for him. Morocco
Hmm.
is the same. We're using that one and integrating it. If an agency doesn't have knowledge with API, it's going to take time, or maybe it's not going to happen, the integration. The second thing is local payments. I think we talked before about integrating Pably billing, which will be easier for customers to integrate their local payment within Pably and then have it within Boomerangme. That would help a lot because right now, all our Boomerangme customers, we issue an invoice, they send us a wire, or they pay us in cash, and the next year when they come to renew, we have to repeat the process. So it's not an automated process.
I like a digital git, so we want to automate as much as we could. That's
Exactly.
true. That's true. Yeah, we will think about it, and I just want to add a couple of cents in regards of integrations. All the Q3 this year, we will work on our integrational marketplace, which allows you
Perfect.
to create your integration in 5 simple steps, and we will provide a lot of information and trainings in regards to that. And
Perfect.
definitely, we will consider or do like one of our internal integration that we will create by ourselves. You just, I believe, understand what you can do right now. You can raise new feature requests and post it in our community for voting.
Exactly.
And if we will collect a lot of votes, definitely we will put this task into our roadmap and complete it as fast as we could. Well, the next question, could you please share some specific results or metrics from your customers if it's not under NEA or something like that?
Yeah. Do you mean I can share it directly on, or
Not from
just
the account, just
yeah,
elaborate on
like
this, like how
yeah,
many cars, how many revenue, like ROI level, like, 18x on each invested
yeah.
euro they got back or something like that.
Like one of the parapharmacies, after 2 months or 3 months of using Boomerangme, their return on investments was like X20. Their card issuing was around right now. Maybe he's standing at 450 customers. He's only been with us for like since April. And the use, like I check his statistics daily. The cards are being used. Customers are getting their cash backs. They're redeeming their cash backs. It's a perfect business to put loyalty cards for. That's why I told you before. Parapharmacies
Mhm.
is one of my best because I see statistics. When I see statistics, it makes me happy because I know the solution is working automatically.
And moreover, you can reuse statistics from current clients, present it to the new ones, and close the deals
Exactly.
without any frictions. That's a
That's
good,
what
a
I
good
do.
approach.
I go to their competitors and I show them the statistics of their competitor, and of course they say, "Okay, we want in too."
Perfect. The next question: what advice would you give to other agency considering to try Boomerangme for their agencies?
Well, listen, Mike, I'll be frank with you. If I sit right now in my office and wait for customers to come ask me about the solution, no one is going to know. No one knows about me and no one knows about the solution. So the best approach to sell something like this is knock, knock, and you sit and you explain it in person. Because maybe I'm wrong. We are from Morocco. We have a different culture. Our business culture is to sit, talk, have a glass of tea, and then once we're done, if there's trust between us, we're going to move forward. So that's the best approach: is to show yourself, show your agency, show your solutions, put everything on the table. Maybe you're not selling only Boomerangme. Maybe you're selling other solutions, but you can always create a pack. Like when I go, we have multiple solutions, and among them is Boomerangme. So we say, okay, you can take this pack, or you can take like every service alone. They choose. All the solutions we're selling are good solutions. So if the customer gets only one solution and after a year he's so satisfied with that solution, if you go back again and provide him with the second solution, he's going to take it from you because there's already trust between
100%.
you. And that's what's happening. There's someone who's renewing, and I have a meeting with him today, and he received an automated invoice 3 days ago from my CRM telling him that it's going to expire. And he gave me a phone call. He told me, "Hey, listen, I want to renew automatically." And I told him, okay, I have another solution for you if you want to. He told me, yes, we can sit and see what you have.
Yeah, because you already built the bridge between the companies, and this
Exactly.
bridge made by trust. That's absolutely
Exactly.
right, and that's good. What's your plan for this goal?
Well, my plan right now is I'm targeting right now small businesses. That's my main, because small businesses, with the current financial crisis that's happening worldwide, many businesses are bringing down closing their doors. So we're trying to make a special pack which includes Boomerangme to help their wheel keep rolling. And at the same time, the pricing, like we're not in Europe. We're in Morocco. Like spending here is way less than people spend in Europe. So we're trying to find the right price that anyone can be happy, willing to pay for, and expand the solution from here until 2030. Which, like I explained, Morocco is on the verge of organizing the World Cup. So why not have new solutions in the market?
Good approach, because you do not need to focus on just on one location. You can sell this product worldwide, and I just want to wish you good luck with your journey, and
Thank you.
you can count on me in terms of support, feature requests, and other things. Thank you so much for your feedback
You're
about the
welcome.
product, and I'm waiting to sit with you for the next time next year and hear how you grow 5, 10
Okay.
times from today to the next year.
Same here.
Wish you all the best, and thank you so much, Walid. See
You're
you soon.
welcome. You have a great day. Bye bye.